Today we're taking a look at the Transcendent ATG TS1800.1D. It measures in at 15 by 7 1/4 by 2 1/8. On our input side of the amplifier, there's a protect light, power light, the remote input, which is included in the box, the low-level RCA inputs, bass boost centered at 45 Hz with a 0, 6, or 12 dB boost, gain control that is variable between 6 volts and 0.28 volts, a low-pass crossover that is variable between 50 and 220 Hz, and a subsonic filter that is variable between off and 50 Hz. On the power input side, we have a 0 gauge ground and power input, as well as our remote input, operating voltage between 12 and 15 volts. It's a mono amplifier, but it has 2 positives and 2 negatives for convenience of installation. Let's take the amplifier over to the dyno and see what kind of power it puts out. Starting certified dyno run 2 ohm, 899 watts. Next, 1 ohm, and that got us an 1158. Next up is the uncertified dyno run 2 ohm, 930 watts. Next, 1 ohm, 1333 watts at 1 ohm. Next, dynamic 2 ohms, 1066 watts. Next, 1 ohm, 1591 watts.